In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Gmail. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're just going to open any browser in your system. Then you're going to type into the search box for Gmail and then hit enter. After that, just open the official website of Gmail from the top link. And once you have done that, you will be able to see here this kind of page. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this gear icon located at the upper right side of the screen. Then you will be able to see here this option, see all settings. So you're going to click on that. And then you will be redirected to the settings page of Gmail. First of all, you're going to make sure that you're in the general tab of this settings page. And once you have done that, you can scroll down to the near bottom of the screen until you see the section signatures. So to create a new signature, you're going to click on create new. And then you can type in any name of your signature. Like I'm going to type in work and then just click on create. Then on the right side, you can type in anything in your signature. You can just type in anything over here like your name or your occupation. You can also edit your text. First of all, you're going to select the text which you want to edit. Then if you see at the lower side, you will be able to see here that first of all, you can change here the font family, and the second option you have is to change the size of your font. So just click on that and select any of these. I'm going to select large from here, and as you can see here, its size has been changed. Then you have the option to make your text bold, italic, or underline, and then you have the option to select your text color. Just click on that, and here you have two sections. First of all, you're able to change your background color, and then you are able to change your text color. For now, I'm just going to change my text color to purple, and as you can see here, it's done. Also, if you want to add a logo of your company, first of all, you're going to go to the next line by hitting enter on your keyboard. Then you're going to click on this option which says insert image. Just click on that, and then you're going to click on upload. Then just select a file from your computer and wait until it has been uploaded. And if your logo or image is very large like mine, you can just click on that and change the size by clicking on any of these options from here. I'm going to go with small. And once you have done all of that, you can scroll down to the very bottom of this list, and then you can click on Save Changes.